It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow.
Alert!
Eastern Pennsylvania until 3 at 2:22 p.m. A dangerous snow squall was
SQW!
Saturday night. West wind intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile.
Unrecognized warning.
Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes.
Yes!
This includes Interstate 380 between mile marker 0 and 14. Locations impacted include Mount Pocono, Tobiana, Henryville, Rary Lake, Skitoff,
Fuck yeah!
Canadensis, Alpine Mountain, Echo Lake, Paradise Valley, Goodsboro State Park, Cresco, and Eden Lake. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a snow squall warning for northern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania.